Hello there, and welcome to part one of our series, Why Your Vehicle Won't Start. In this series, we're going to cover some fairly common reasons why your vehicle won't start, and if you have some basic mechanics tools, hopefully you can fix it yourself. For this video, we'll be working on a 1989 Chevy 1500 pickup, so let's see what we can find. Here's the truck we're working on, so let's see what happens. I'm going to turn the key for start. And we get absolutely nothing. So in this case, we got a couple things to check out first. And let's go see what we can find. The first thing we're going to check is the battery. If you're planning on working on your vehicle, trying to troubleshoot issues on your vehicle, I would highly recommend you purchase some sort of multimeter. I'll put a link in the description for a couple cheaper ones from Amazon. So other than that, it's pretty hard to diagnose electrical issues if you don't have one. We're just going to check the voltage in the battery. There are other tests we can do, like reserve capacitance test. We could load test the battery, but those require more expensive meters. So we're just going to check the voltage in the battery here. So as you can see, we got 12 volts in the battery. It's a little low, but the truck has been sitting in the shop for a few days, so we're just going to assume that the battery is not the issue here. Say for instance, the battery showed, a lot lower than 12 volts, like 10, 9, then you for sure have a battery issue and you need to take care of that before you continue testing. But that could be your problem also. But I see something over here that could be an issue. So you take a look at the battery clamps, and see here, the negative clamp, it looks not too bad, but if you take a look over here at the positive clamp, you can see all this corrosion buildup. So I'm going to go ahead and take these clamps off and we'll inspect them. So now we've cleaned our positive connection here. The negative one wasn't too bad, but the positive one had a lot of corrosion all around it. So we took the nut out. You just have to push the nut out. You don't have to take it out, but I just wire brushed all the corrosion off, and you can see it's a nice shiny metal now. So we'll get a very good connection once we get this back together. Now we'll go see if the truck starts. So grab the key here. See, now we get all of our warning lights, which is a good sign, so we'll turn it for start. And it started. It's always good practice just to double check your oil almost anytime you go under the hood of your vehicle, just to make sure nothing bad has happened. And it looks like we're looking pretty good there, if you can see. So if your vehicle is having trouble starting, first thing you do, check your battery and your battery connections. And if that doesn't fix the problem, stay tuned for next episode and I'll show you what to test after you confirm that your battery and the connections are good. And if you have any questions about batteries or anything related to the video, feel free to leave a comment. Hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up if you like the video. Thanks for watching.